Let's quickly cover how to set up a turntable animation to exhibit your props. A turntable is simply a camera that revolves around a model or models in a circle with that model or models in the center of that circle. So the first step is to create a camera with a target by going to Create, Cameras, Camera and Aim. And then I would suggest you rename the camera and the aim to something like Turntable Camera and Turntable Camera Aim. Then move the aim to the center of your model. There are several ways to go about setting a camera to revolve around a specific point, but I like to create a circle and constrain the camera to that circle, because then making the camera revolve around a circle with a wider or narrower radius is simply a matter of scaling that circle, which I think is the quickest and easiest way to make changes to that turntable camera setup and that turntable animation. So I'll create a circle by going to Create, NURBS Primitives, Circle, and then I'll scale that circle on all three axes at the same time until it's the size that I want. Then I'll constrain the camera to the circle by selecting the camera and then shift selecting the circle. And then I'll go to my animation menu set, constrain, motion paths, and then I'll click on the attach to motion path option box. And then I have to uncheck the follow option in the option box because I want the rotation of the camera to be constrained to that aim node, which it is by default, and only the translate attributes to be constrained to the circle. And this will set the camera to animate along that circle from the first frame to the last frame of my timeline so that the camera starts and ends at the same spot along that circle. And that's really all there is to setting up a turntable camera using this technique. You would then just select that turntable camera as the camera you wish to render from when you render your turntable animation.